interview of K00’s was totally unnecessary. Was totally
Abuza from Mamu na makwaba e de Ghana and Sem TV so. But omo dey so be like video, no be subscribe to the channel, no what turn on notifications. Say be next time. Videos of this nature eba also sabit makabi na so watch your comment section ho. Maybe whom be from Mr. President Amejo also TikTok or comment section ho. By be whom be from Mr. President Amejo also. Ko yin na dream say that chi bia no e betim the new patriotic party aba power. Na ya bana Ghana fo nyina ho ato ko amamo we dey. The need to Sudan say man we need that chi bia. Na the bia me ka sem bi say amanyasom ne ye no. So wa mo ni anda ho a ho be chiro pa. The moment I be hold the public office, and they say who say you own it a responsibility. I mean a sole responsibility to serve the ordinary Ghanaian. But I think say I do retirement. If you say a public office no more hold it. As a result of that, it is their sole responsibility to impact and improve lives of people. They have forgotten about that. Abushamin chankra, mommy enko. The enko video bimra. The video no we are going to take our time and digest the issues out of the perspective of the ordinary guy, not the perspective of Mr. President here.
interview of K00’s was totally unnecessary. Was totally unnecessary. And I don't know how I'm going to handle Mr. Ken.AGYAPONG now. Why do you have to allow me to grant interviews? You have thrown in you as an Interior Defense Committee chairman at that time. Obienu wa document sin. Obienu obetimi aka ne kure ewo eyinimusin meboa. And you said that we have disappointed people of Ashanti. Don't retaliate. Don't react to anybody. Allow ne yentra radio TV so na yen discuss sad. Ne man konfogumi say one a wo kan kura na say a party na aso mu na kan kura. But you don't grant interview. Jamaica what I say. You don't grant interview. See, say interview we say. I took my time. I come with all the social media, radio and television, and it is gradually, it is making K00’s unpopular, and it's like it is turning him to become a certain man. Would you listen to the interview carefully and listen to the time? He's becoming a certain man. Hey, yetra catch us abronye. Enkopo K00’s atam meboa onkopa de cho Dr. Bamias will match them no onkopa match ya kasa asiwa maka several times abroad to make control the TV edi matem for 1 hour koka bimini abene na mu seven previousa and then same na metimi aka me sofo ya chi no tu mu me na me dis cells akoniaba no bia banda koka me na me di akoniaba because I have said this onkopa K00’s atam or the mark to me TV. No, Timatam, you have the video. Meba, Abraham any BBO because Bakokas on Padcho. Yes, we have said that these people should come and apologize to you because and send you over kind and yet you. And if they have decided not to apologize to you, that's all fair enough. Jamaica, what I say, it's a fair enough. It is you between you and them. That you don't have anything to do with them, not the party. And you can say your problem with J0ins abuse, honorable J0ins abuse, and others, the party should suffer. Then you're not true blue man, like the people say. If you do that, because say a campaign, you will confront Mr. Ken.AGYAPONG side. I will label and branded and called Dr. Baumia a liar. They continue saying it and they affirmed it deep. Say, why you liar, a potential flag bearer then. Jamaica, what I say. But, about the party, when we said that they should also go and apologize, have they apologized? They haven't. But Dr. Baumian creating pressure, he say, as a party, this suffer. You don't do that. When you go to the social media, the people that supported to work in the Japan, that I know, the people that we chat with, they are all angry. They are all angry and not supporting the interview that he did. Because gradually, One share a Bemana Lutu, your father say, Abaya unpopular. And it's becoming unpopular in the party. Because interview do about granted piano as a set seven projects as a settings. What the hell? Minimum galamse, you go for nine galamse. Yatia ya kuntoka baby galamse to yatia. We are fighting and looking for the people that do galamse. If you don't bring it on it, name them. Let us go for them. Because we are fighting galamse in this country. And kofu abo Ghana krono awusu with him no. Mayan hunu. Let us know the people that corrupted this country. I will bring them on. Me and discuss it because we are anti-corruption crusader. Now, so what the show that the biasana have a caviar. Now, you have settings. It's like either you have a skeleton in your cupboard that you are protecting yourself that maybe NDC wouldn't come for you, or you don't want Dr. Bamia to become a president at all costs. That is the beer mentality because he said you are not better. So if you are not better there, I'll take the bitterness off. Then Befasan to be see. All right. You understand? So please, what do you say? Ask me about. Yeah. Professor Michael Quay report. Michael Quay report. It was revealed that Mr. Ken.AGYAPONG should be removed from the party by two President Kufuor and some other big ways. No. If they do that, the timing is wrong. And or your party back or boa party no. So that suggestion was wrong. Now they have intercepted videos and audios. The party wanted to have a press conference to show to Ghanaians, reveal it, statement and all that, right, to set as an actuality, to justify why they want to take you off of the.
Chino mind Ghana ho. And the woman Juni Quetira. Nanka woman better as you say. In one woman da market and woman nibber be da. And Nintina Womaya Wamwagen is a woman better market. It is as I understood as uncle for way to Abba. Edit NPP government is a woman pay change. Woman pa hoto. Woman pay you my year. Such a way as our marketplaces in woman called that hobby. And the woman did not say the two about the TMPP government. And a woman two about the man, this is NDC. And better non fine she say a pamegu or mammy. NDC by ye, on fine she say a pubby and meguho. But be a meme dana, minyasum, bieka, crana, made it two about TMPP na. Me two about the man, this in NDC by and will baby buno. It is an NDC. I want to pa at the massa you tina. Nan can NDC better na say, I say, oh, Sanko for your one more marketplaces, you crano. Woman ni baby da. Inti me says I want more dina and hen fan a one more than hen fan one more better. Inti says I net dia. My mini fast na min pair dine bar could be a messy. Edia suho. Edia man one more marketplaces, you know. Set away a me coco bubu or moi. Na me come out solution. Me bubu no na me more solution. Na me catch out say me bubu. Me and this government. Me bubu would dino. Because mercy a dime buaha. Na kona kwatinum na yenen kakran na yeden nyesika na fa kwa rent because market no yensi market ni se wo mum na medam yesi market ni se wo fa nton ade be na me se wonni babi danti na wo yusu a wo da ho eni nti na me and this government medweno ho no ma si dan di asi wo nti me ba be ka tro se free market na wudam ni free na kona koda ha because baby a wo da ne kora no automatically enye save. Sanken this government no womu jino my Ghana ho and womu jino youth no ho nanke they will give them solution before they will destroy baby a womoda. Say wo koto anoma buo ho a wo bubu anoma buo na anoma ne be de na wada obe chinchin nti wona womu ni sika womu de be rented dan na womo bobo kiosk or market wana womo da ho no automatically no wa ma womo ebia ma womo anda na bubu na wabubu no automatically wo ka kire womo say womo nko ne number sabasa sa na pa kire because obi biala ogini obi biala ho no obegini ho hu ni say me say ade yi Me nini a me de be me esese me ma obi na wo di shem. At that moment a man mo obi ma wan fan shem no. Me ni adwempa e de ma wo. Inti sanka NDC government no wa adwenepa e de ma sa nkofo no wo mu bubu wo mo dan na. Ko mu be hunu se wo mu ni ba bi da. Inti mami si e dan ba ko ntum. Na wo a wo benya student mattress no fa betum. O bag ba ko ne kita wa fa besim. Such a way obi abenya ba bi ada. Such a way wo bubu kura na wo bubu wi a. Wasa so amawo ebia wo mu di wo mu ti be den wo mu di wo mu ti beto.
Amonua no no ha no. Ye nyina ye ti kruma. Na omu be ya forensic audit ni be wie no. Wo de
so ene da no si mu de bia ye ka ho asem oman we just yenim oman ni issue ayewo ko ye hwe ne ma papa na adan kwakufo Dr. Laji Mahmood Bawumia ye de ma oman we a any 2024 elections eko eno ma Dr. Bawumia e den e de kire Ghana fa se me ba we ni we na me ye ma mo na busia na ke ye nsem pata de yensa kan serious so in fact oman bi timi ko borrow oman bi presidency oman bi timi ko borrow oman bi say leaders are KBA the new patriotic party the leaders of the party KBA ka borrow omodom ko another African country to cause development there. For the first time in the history of the country, we have generalized free senior high school. The word is generalized. For the first time in the history of the country, we have active drone delivery systems. For the first time in the history of the party and of the country, yetimi enya active and well facilitated health facilities across the length and breadth of the country. Agenda 111. We may say impo yenwie because the agenda na the person here number of hospitals and the is yenwie because of time. But those ones yetimi we component go and see how they have been operationalized. And then me look say we have some of the hospitals in fact equipping hospitals not all right but because of political tantrums and political gains many can say here hospitals and they go sana no me say it is a Kenyan you say na no me nyina be ya say kesika no kan kan dey wasa botumi we say oh I say we say NPP for ya konfo na mu akonfo ti ma sacrifice discard to what their hospitals na mo so mo ya akonfo akonfo ti ma facilitate am say on be fund free seniors mo so mo ya akonfo you say anya Ghana for dey bi na fe na tables na 10 afi dem mo kekam kakaka. Why are they shouting? Obi ankara no ntum ne nko no ho. Asofo no mo nkoma no ntu asofo no with the greatest of respect. Omo nkoma no ntu ne nko nyina ho. Chief imam for ne nkoma no ntu ne nko nyina ho. Politicians ne nkoma no ntu ne nko nyina ho. Market women no nkoma no ntu ne nko nyina ho. Obi ankara no ntu ne nko nyina ho. 2020 Jua, then we will know the way forward. Yeti kroma obi so ono oba ono the credit scoring system be ba mo so open konketenkete. Nanze bibini na nkasa de sebi ye bibia yan kitinkiti ya adwen kitinkiti ye bibia ye bia invest kwa ye yan kitinkiti. We want everything in pieces. We don't want everything in bulk. Adi asem kwa ni. Obi ma credit scoring system also open kitinkiti. Obi introduce electric or electronic bus systems, you know. Most open kitinkiti. Is enya mo de. You people chose policy. You people chose music over policy. Na ne yete ne nyina ho papa na fe na mbusu wa kire me na wo ne wo sia kire me sabi me na me ko ka kire Agya ndama ni ma so on be ma us come to mutu wa ye wa ha digitalization ye start say ye mo se dabi digitalization en to kinki nti mo pe kinki sika nti amamu papa na ba o mo ma mo kinki amamu a ade da mo kam ye wo ko mo ya e de Agya ndama ni ma ko gina efese enkanfo mu gafo ka chom say oh gafo de oh na mo de onye kinki na mu hia digitalization bia e na gafo so okay nye beto aba na ma bum mo to aba ma kinki government a etimi
Sese die ko ye kra de menu now to me hu letter bi a yoko for tro ye eba council of state member voter region na me se fiam eh Remona Chapa ya hype ni say we ye can say Israel train
but the issue is true.
Okwe ni letter now was say council of state member no wo ye former staff emanam one which is never true.
Onya
juma order and onya juma order ama nam one for the first time nam one I post. Oh yes, na mo aye post
ya no catch obi say nipa ne boa
o se